To move the selected object in Blender, you can either press G to grab and move the object, or use the Move tool and drag the Move gizmo. But when selecting this sword, the Move gizmo does not appear at all. And even if we press G to grab the object, it still does not move. That is because the object's transformation is locked. To unlock the movement, press N to open the sidebar. Go to the Item tab, then unlock the X, Y, and Z location locks. You can also click and drag across the lock icons to enable or disable them quickly, instead of clicking each one individually. The same transform properties can also be found in the Object Properties tab inside the Properties editor. In the second case, the object moves normally when pressing G, but the Move gizmo still does not appear when using the Move tool. This happens because gizmo visibility is disabled. To enable it, click this gizmo icon. If you faced a different issue that prevented your object from moving in Blender, let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials.